Dear students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about subsets. First you have to know what is subsets. Subsets. If A and B two sets, every element of A is also an element of B, then A is called subset of B and symbolically written as A is subset of B. For example, A equal to say 1, 2, 3 and B 1, 2, 3, 4. Then every element of A is also an element of B. Then A is called subset of B. But here every element of B is not an element of A. This one 4 is not an element of A. So B is not subset of A. A is a subset of B, but here B is not a subset of A. But if you write the elements in this way, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then A is a subset of B. B is also a subset of A. Every element of B is also an element of A. Then A is called B. Remember this one? If A is a subset of B and B is also a subset of A, then A is equal to B. Now check, if A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, then every element of A is also an element of B and one element is here, more element 1, 4. So then A is called proper subset. A is called proper subset. Proper subset of B. Then A is called proper subset of B. If A is a subset of B, conversely, you can written as B is a superset. B is a superset of A. Opposite symbol, B is a superset of A. Now, subset of real numbers. Subset of real numbers. And set of natural numbers 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. W. Set of whole numbers. Z. Set of integers. Positive or negative. Q. Set of rational numbers. Here that means all integers also here, fractions. All are belongs to Q. Q not, that means which are not rational. Which are not rational, this one irrational. And R means set of real numbers. That means here L is also there, W is also there, Z is also there, Q not. All are belongs to R. So you can write N is a subset or proper subset of W. W is a proper subset of Z. Z is a subset or proper subset of Q. And all are subset of real numbers. All are subset of real numbers. Now, intervals of real numbers. Let A and B belongs to R. R means real number. A is less than B. A is less than B. Then the set of real numbers X such that A less than X less than B is written as open interval AB. Open interval AB. You can write in this way also, this one, open interval AB. X such that A less than X less than B. Set of real numbers That means excluding A and B, every element lies between A and B. Similarly, closed interval X such that A less than equal to X less than equal to B. That means here the elements are lies between A and B, and also in A and B are included. Next, open close. X such that A less than equal to X less than B. That means A is included but B is excluded. A open, B close, X such that A less than X less than equal to B. So these are the intervals. This one open, this one close, close open, open close interval. For any interval open, close, close open, open close, for any interval B minus A is called length of the interval, length of the interval. Remember this one. Now in number line, how can you represent open interval, close interval, or open close, close open? Say this one 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here AB given, AB means any real number. So if you take A equal to 2, B equal to 3, that means open 2, 3. For this open interval, say 2 and 3, so you have to round in this way. This one open, white portion is open, and middle portion, this portion is open interval. This one open. If you write in this way, one is closed, another is open, then this one closed. This one closed. If both is closed, then this one, including 2 and 3, and the elements are lies between 2 and 3. Sometimes this can be written in this way also. This one close, this one open. This one close, this one open in this way also. And middle portion, if both are closed, then in this way, middle portion including 2 and 3. If both are open, right, you can write in this way also. Next, power set can be written as power of, say set is A, power set of A, set of B, power set of B. So you can write in this way. Say let A equal to 1, 2, 3. Then subsets of A are 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. These are the subsets. And another subset is phi. Phi means null set. There is no one element is there. So every null set is subset of any set. And every set is a subset of itself. So the set of all subsets is called power set. Set of all subsets is called power set. Here 3 elements and here 8 elements. So remember this one. If a set having n elements, then power set having 2 to the power n elements, then that is the number of power set of A equal to 2 power 3 equal to 8. Important formula this one. If a set having n elements, then the power set having 2 to the power n elements. Next, according to your chapter, next universal set. Universal set can be represented by capital U. Universal set is a large set, say set of natural number, whole number, integer, rational number, irrational number, all are belongs to R. All are belongs to R. So R is called universal set. That means universal set is a large number of set and there are so many subsets are there. I think all of you understood my class. Next class I will discuss about exercise 1.3. Keep watching. If you understood my class, don't forget to like, comment and share to others. And please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.